This is totally unrelated, but today I had to name my design firm, our group, and guess what I chose?
What?
Gold Diggers. GOAL. Is that amazing or what?
You're ambitious and witty. What more can you ask, honestly?
Okay, no. Hey guys. No. It's so not. Okay. Say something, Sami.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Sakshi.
And that's Sami.
It's me behind the camera. And
We're gonna do a reaction video. And to what, Sami?
okay, so basically it's called Beyonce Sharma Jayegi.
I'm scared.
Okay, a little bit of context. Cool. So it's from a movie called Kali Pili, if I'm not wrong.
Oh.
Basically, it's like a remake of a South movie called Taxi. I think.
Okay.
The problem is when the movie's trailer came out, it got like 1.5 million dislikes. Like in
Are you
like
serious?
yeah, in like a week or something. Because the actress, her name's Ananya Pandey, she's like a nepotism kid, and with all the things going on, people are just like after her. Plus the trailer isn't that good, to be honest.
The trailer is not good. I wonder the movie.
I mean, if the trailer was like a hint of what was supposed to come, this is like just a shocking plateau, dude. You're gonna be like, just wait. I'm like worried for you a little bit, but I'm also excited.
Let's prep. Let's go. I'm scared to even type this in. It's my first suggestion. It's a first suggestion.
Oh, God.
Okay. Who all are there? Ananya. Who's Ishan?
See, what I know from like the comments of the trailer, he's Shahid Kapoor's son.
Oh, so they both are.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's start this. Kali PD, Ishan, Ananya.
Lakshmi, Vishal, etc.
Okay, let's go. This takes up off. He's just going like this. I'm dying. And you know the side dancers, the jokers.
Dancers?
Yeah, backup dancers. Then a Joker costume. Why?
Bollywood, dude.
Damn.
And now,
Beyonce Sharma Jayegi.
No, they did not. They did not. They did not.
That's the drop. And it's
They
like
did not.
so bad.
They did not just go there. That's so bad.
Goria, Beyonce Sharma Jayegi. Get it because she's black.
No! Damn!
I feel bad laughing, but I don't because the song's so horrible.
Shook it. And they're both bad dancers.
I didn't even notice. I was just too
You know,
like,
she tried to do that throwback.
okay.
She's so bad.
She won best Filmfare Best Female Debut.
I mean, all con competition.
Pata nahi, dude. Maybe Mama the winner.
Like, I'm pretty sure their siblings are only the competition.
Sure.
Family dinner, but they're like, how must you won or this?
I think we're stalling. You just don't want to see the video anymore.
Okay, let's get back. Whew.
Beyonce शर्मा जाएगी तेरी आंखें चेहरा तेरा blink
What? What are those lyrics?
I don't even know what it is.
Sorry. Why are you making me watch this again? He stopped me. So basically, he came running to me in the afternoon, like, Sakshi, you have to watch this one song. And later he was like, no, don't watch it. Don't watch it. You're gonna watch it on video. I'm not ready for this. Dude, it looks like such a low budget song.
It really does, dude. Even the movie trailer looks like they just had like, it's all on a taxi mostly.
And then, like, how are they doing this in Corona?
No idea.
Damn. Okay, let's go. Oh, we still have a minute.
I pray for you, honestly.
That's my story of my life. Boy, mera tera kuch nahi ho raha. That should be my bio everywhere. Okay. Did they say London like that on purpose?
I think so, yeah, dude.
Can I go back?
Yeah.
Okay.
We need to watch this again, yeah.
Yes.
Beyonce शर्मा जाएगी
So bad. This is so bad. So
I mean, thoughts, opinions, just, yeah.
my jaw has dropped. The lyrics are questionable.
Very.
Very. The dancing.
No God
I think they were just like, you know what, it's COVID times, no one's gonna get excited about unless we like make things controversial and like really lame controversial. Look at the dislikes, dude.
Wait. Damn!
Yeah.
What? They're higher than the likes?
Yeah, and like so much more higher, dude.
I can't believe this. Wow, and it's his first movie?
I don't think so. I think he was in that Sairat remake.
Oh, this was the guy
Yeah.
in Sairat.
No, he was in the remake, the Hindi
Huh,
one.
I know.
I don't even know the name of the movie.
It's-
The Karan Johar one.
I know it's something.
I mean, it clearly wasn't as memorable.
Definitely, the original movie was so good.
But yeah, that's the. You know what it reminds me of? That have you seen that AIB sketch where they're like in a marketing room and they're like, oh, we need to come up with like trendy stuff for the youth to catch on, like a challenge.
Oh yeah.
And then they come up with.
लफ्जों का twerk
Yes. Damn. Damn, it's been a while since I watched that.
Yeah. Basically, just take a normal thing and just add an English word to it for the youth, and then you're done. They did
Yeah.
exactly the same thing, dude. People are just gonna mock this stuff.
Beyonce's shit. Like, they could use her name.
I think so, yeah. I mean, it's just a name. Beyonce Sharma Jai. I wonder what her reaction is, honestly.
Like, she should make a video.
Yeah.
But it won't have that same impact. Hindi.
I wanted to just go to IG Live and just be like, I'm sorry, what is this stuff? Because like, I feel like people like in the US, for Indian cinema, they look at Sanjay Leela Bhansali and they're just like, oh, such grandeur and stuff.
Yeah.
And then there's this Beyonce Sharma Jai.
I could even give them, a neutral opinion if they danced well, both of them.
Yeah.
But they really can't. They really can't. Like, can you imagine? I was looking at the side dancers who were dressed up as jokers.
Backup dancers.
Sorry.
This is sad. This is like, yeah. There's nothing redeeming about this.
I feel the best part about this entire thing was just his pectorals.
Short boy pectorals.
Shut. I'm curious how tall he is.
In Sochin.
Yes. What's his name? Ishan.
Shahid Kapoor cousin.
Shahid Kapoor. Okay. Ishan, I think it's Ishan Khattar. I don't know how to say that, sorry.
It's fine, I don't think anyone would be offended if you got his name wrong.
Oh, he's just 5 years old though.
To us?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You thought. Right. Yes. Oh, no wonder he's just 5'8".
Oh, damn.
Damn. I'm 70 kgs.
Oh, that's like my height. Wait.
Did I even bench press?
I just imagining you bench press Ishan.
Chest 40 inches. Waist 30 inches.
Okay.
Dorito.
Dorito. Dude, Dharanya Pandey.
Yeah,
Guess whose daughter she is?
I know.
Chunky Pandey. Isn't he the
I'm a joking.
the houseful dude? Yeah.
Yeah.
Love him. Icon.
Aakhri pasta. How did they come up with that?
Oh. Cool, then I guess these are our thoughts on.
Beyonce Sharma Jayagi.
Yeah.
Oof. So, yeah, see you guys soon. How should we close it?
Bye.
Okay, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Anything, do you have to say something?
Yeah, just like leave nice comments, okay? Unlike the video we just saw, dude, you should see the comments.
Really?
Horrible.
Should I go through them?
Not for them. Apne aap.
Okay, sure. Okay, guys, see you soon. Bye. Damn! I'm sweating.